One of the challenges of a small shop is storage space. One underutilized space is in the floor joists in a basement or the rafters of a building. Of course, you can see I've utilized some of that. It looks kind of messy, but nevertheless utilized. What I want to do today is take advantage of some of this space up here. You'll notice I took out 2 of the joist ties. What remains is plenty adequate, as long as I don't take out 2 in a row. Okay, what I want to do here is make a box that sits between these joists. And I want it to fold up in between the joists. It's 14 1/4 between the 2 joists. So I'm going to make my box 14 inches on the outside. As far as the depth of this box, you got to watch out for nails coming through. And I can make it up to about 7 inches without hitting any nails. I think I'm going to make it about probably 4 to 5 inches deep, maybe 6 inches. Okay, I'm using really cheap wood here. It's just storage. Most of it will never be seen. I drilled a couple of holes on that end. They're going to be my hinge point. And that'll be my bottom. I'm using a nail gun here. But it's not really to hold the wood. I'm going to use screws. The nail gun is really good for positioning stuff and holding it there. Like a third hand. Putting screws about every 6 inches. Gluing the ends in the box. And some 1 1/4 screws. A little 80 grit sandpaper on a random orbit sander and a vacuum cleaner does wonders, just knocking off all the slivers. Okay, now I'm putting in a latch mechanism. It'll be clear how it'll work here in a minute. A 1/4 inch carriage bolt. First a washer. Then a nylock nut. Let's see, about 2 inches. And that latch is 1 1/2 inches. Okay, we're going to catch this on camera, huh? I don't think it'll be too bad. We'll see. Want to maintain it. I left myself a little clearance, 1/8 inch on each side. You want to kind of position that. 1/8 inch away from each joist. Oh, how did I do that? Ah, it's a joist tie there. Okay, I'll put one more longer screw here and pull it out. Okay, hopefully you can see me. I've got this thing here called a transfer punch. And I'm going to use it to locate the holes on my hinge here. And I'm putting in 1/4 inch lag bolts. Okay, now I'm going to install the hooks on that latch. Leave just a very slight gap there, so it's not hard to latch your box. Okay, let's see how it works. Knock these temporary support strips off. Remember, they're just held in with the air nailer. Now, look there. Got a problem. Can't reach it. Okay, I got a feeling I'm going to have to make some kind of handle that reaches up here and grabs that. But there's our storage. Almost reached that. Well, there it is. Put a little extension on the handle so that I could turn it. Where I'm storing my dowels. Put a couple of supports in there. Up out of the way. Thanks for joining me.